Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best pet hair robot vacuum you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many pet hair robot vacuum and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each pet hair robot vacuum, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a pet hair robot vacuum. First, think about suction power, as pet hair can be stubborn, and stronger suction ensures a cleaner home. Next, check the brush design. Tangle-free, rubberized brushes work best for collecting fur without clogging. Battery life is also essential, especially if you have a larger space or multiple pets. Another factor is filtration. ECOVACS filters help trap allergens and fine dust, keeping the air cleaner. Smart mapping and navigation features save time by ensuring thorough coverage and avoiding missed spots. Additionally, consider noise levels if your pets are sensitive to sound. Finally, look for easy maintenance options like washable filters and detachable bins. These details make cleaning simpler and more efficient. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews.